Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore failed app installations using Shopify admin, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore failed app installations using Shopify admin, begin by logging into your Shopify admin account. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps section in the left-hand sidebar. In the Apps section, locate and click on the Manage Apps option. This will take you to a list of all your installed apps. Identify the app that failed to install properly. Click on the app to view its details. If the app has a failed installation notification, you will see an option to retry installation. Click on the Retry Installation button. Follow any prompts that appear on the screen during the installation process. If the installation is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. If the installation continues to fail, check for any error messages displayed. Make note of any error codes, as these can provide insight into the issue. Next, visit the app's support page for guidance on common installation problems. If necessary, contact the app developer's support team for assistance. Return to the Shopify admin dashboard. Consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the app if issues persist. To uninstall the app, click on the Delete button on the app's details page. After uninstalling, go back to the Apps section and search for the app again. Click on Add App to initiate a new installation. Follow the installation instructions carefully to ensure success. Once reinstalled, check that all features of the app are functioning correctly. If problems arise, troubleshooting steps may be required. Always keep your Shopify platform updated to minimize installation issues. By following these steps, you can successfully restore a failed app installation on Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.